November 23rd, 2020, Fluency. What is the difference between 29 and 12 hundredths and 6 and 8 tenths? So difference, I know that means subtraction. So we're going to subtract here. Remember, when we're lining up, or when we're adding or subtracting decimals, are we lining them up? Yes, we are. Line them up. Line up those decimals. So we have 29 and 12 hundredths. So 29 decimal 1, 2. Minus, because we're subtracting, 6. And remember, line up your decimals, everybody. 6 and 8 tenths. We can put a placeholder 0 if you would like to. Perfect. So we can put a placeholder of 0. And let's put our little division. All right. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 8 we cannot do. That rhymes. So the 9, it's got to go in front. Bring to front. All right. So that 9 becomes an 8. To make that 1 and 11 and 11. All right, 11 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 3. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 0 is also 2. So our answer is 22 and 32 hundredths. Awesome. Now, next, find the quotient. I know quotient means divide of 347 divided by 7. So 347 is going to go inside our house. 347. And we are going to divide that by 7. So our dividend's on the inside of our house. Divisor's on the outside. So 7 goes into 3. Well, it can't. How many times can 7 go into 34 without going over? 7 times 5 is 35, so that's too much. So we're going to have to go with 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So we're going to write our 28 here. And then we are going to subtract now. Remember, we're going to subtract now. You can't do 4 minus 8. So the 3 is going to have to become a 2. In other words, you can do 34 minus 28. So 34 minus 28. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I get 6. Then let's bring down our 7. Bring down our 7. Now, how many times can 7 go into 67 without going over? So if we have 7 times 10, that is going to be 70, so that's too much. So we're going to have to do 7 times 9, which is going to be 63. 7 times 9, which is going to be 63. All right, now we're going to subtract. 67 minus 63 is going to be 4. Now, is there anything else to bring down? No, but we do have a remainder. So we can have it as a remainder. We do have a remainder here. So we are going to have 49 with a remainder of 4. So we're going to have 49 with a remainder of 4 here. You can put R4 if you would like. Perfect. All right, next one. Find the product of 11 and 38 hundredths and 8 and 5 tenths. So I know that word product means we're going to multiply here. So when we multiply, we are going to, well, do we have to line up our decimals? No, we don't have to line up our decimals when we're multiplying. All right, so we are going to push them to the right. You're going to keep them there, though. Seems to be I need to have some more 1s. All right, so 11 and 38 hundredths times 8 and 5/10. All right, so we just lined up everything to the right. I will move this over a little bit. There we go. Perfect. All right, now let's get another bar here. Perfect. All right, 5 times 8 is 40. I'm going to carry that 4, drop that 0. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry that 4, drop that 0. Ignore the decimals to start. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is going to be 19. Carry that 1, drop that 9. 19. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. Am I done? Nope. We are done with these remainders up here, though. We are done with this 5, so I'm going to cross that 5 off, which means we need to put a placeholder of 0 because we're moving over to the next place value. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 and 8 till I got sick on the floor. Woo, not 8. 64. So I'm going to carry that 6, drop that 4. All right, and then 8 times 3 is going to be 24. Plus 6 is going to be 30. I'm going to carry that 3, drop that 0. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. Carry that 1, drop that 1. Need lots more ones. All right. And then 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is going to be 9. 9. All right, let's add them all up here. All right, so 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1, 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 1, 6. 9 plus 0, 9. Am I done? No, I forgot to put our decimal back in. So let's see how many times we swoop over. In 1, in 2. Why didn't that work? In 1, in 2. Okay. And in 3 total. So in 1, in 2, in 3. So in our answer, we're going to go in 1. Whoop. There we go. Why won't it let us do this? Here we go. In 1, in 2, in 3. So our decimal is going to go in between the 6 and the 7. So our answer here is going to be 96 and 730 thousandths. 96.730. Awesome, awesome. And that is it for our fluency. Great job today.